In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto post to Facebook from make.com. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead, click on scenarios and make sure you have created your Facebook integration. Just go ahead, turn it on and then double click on it to access it. So now, as you can see, Facebook is here, so you can also go ahead and click on it and then just click on this add another module. You can go ahead also make sure you're connected to the Facebook. As you can see here, make sure your account is connected. Then let's go back again to modules. Let's create a new one. Let's click on Facebook, then click on list photos. So after you click on it, you have to choose your account, and now just go ahead and verify it. Just give it some time to load, then click on continue. Just make sure you're connected to the account and you're allowing to post photos from it. Now if it says error, just refresh. It's a problem from them. Now go ahead and choose the account by clicking on here. Then choose the type of photos you want to post. Are they going to be uploaded to your timeline or photos from your album? Let's go ahead and choose album, for example, to show you. Here you can choose your album. In my case, I don't have any album on my Facebook. If you have one, you can select it. Now let's go ahead to from our timeline. You can choose the limit, then click on save. Now you can list photos automatically. Let's go ahead and choose videos right now. Click on list videos. Do the same thing again. Just list your Facebook account. Click on continue. Then just give it some time. After that, click on continue as your account. And just give it some time to load. And go ahead, choose your account. Then choose the limit of videos. Then click on save. And now as you can see, one step that you have to do is to go ahead, click on run once. And now as you can see, you are all good to go and it's activated. So this was an easy and quick process video. Now just go ahead, click on save changes and you are all good to go. You can see here that it's activated, success. And as always, thank you for watching.